Hello my dear friends, welcome to It's Not a Growing channel, and today we have something interesting from Ikea again. So this is Trixig, and this is screwdriver set from Ikea, precision screwdriver set. So yeah, today we're gonna take a look at this, which I just recently discovered in the local Ikea. So stay with me and we're gonna take a look what the heck is this. Alrighty, so take a look at this underwhelming packaging. I thought at least it's gonna be having some kind of, label here saying what is this in the drawing, but no, nothing. It's just completely plain top. I barely found it. Like, I was looking in the bins and yeah, here we are. So, but on the back, apparently we have this is the set of all bits that comes with the Ikea Trixig. So that's two slotted, which is like flat. They have 3 Phillips, 000, 00, and 0. You have 3 hex, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. We have also 3 Torx, T3, T4, T5. We have secure Torx, T6H, T7H, T8H, T9H. We're gonna take a look at this. We have one like a fan looking called Wise 0.6. We have even fancy, I never seen this before. W1.5. It's like 5 dots, like cross, super weird cross. Never seen this before, and it's very interesting. There is also a Penta, which is star, 5-star, P2, P5, P6. Then I have triangle 2.3. We have 2 positive drive, PZ0, PZ00, and PZ0, and we have U 2.3. Wow, that's a very interesting set of screwdrivers. I do have my the most favorite set of screwdriver bits, which is this one. But very interesting that it's even missing some of the guys which are listed here. Very cool. So it will be nice addition to my already kind of serious set of screwdriver bits. Okay, let's get it open and see what the hell is inside. Oh yeah, I want to mention this thing costs, I thought this actually cost $7.99, but no, it cost $9.99 Canadian dollars. So I got a little bit mistaken there, carried away. So if it would be $7.99, that would be super amazing, like for $8. Okay, here we are. It's like nice pastel colors. This thing barely rotates, like it's magnetic. A little magnet in there looks like. And let's just I want to see that. Let me find that. Okay, this is you, obviously, right? It's very familiar. Just like that. Oh, okay, I see. Huh. So I must say I don't really like it already, because this thing is pretty beefy and pretty long. But why wouldn't they make it like a narrower here? You know what I mean? Like, why that's supposed to be that beefy? Does it? Why? Because it's all made of plastic? I don't know. Maybe there is something into it, but there is something not. Because if you are getting to tight spaces, this is not gonna work. So this is number one. Problem number one. I mean. Okay, let me take this. Oh, wow, that's cool. Wanna just show you this up close. This is how it look like. It's like a, I don't even know what it is like. Let me just unscrew it from here. You see that? I hope it's in focus, yeah. That's very interesting. It's sort of kind of Phillips, but not. Okay, let's go back in here. Everything else on 2 posi drives. Posi drives are good too. Good to have. Posi drives are great. Not many screws I have which are posi drives in my repair history, but there are some. Posi drive is good. So oh, this one is cool too. Like, well, this is the secure Torx. Nice, good to have. Okay, this one. Wow, this is tiny as well. Look at that. That's a, I call it fan, like looking like this. Oops, it's out of focus, but you see what I'm saying. Rest actually doesn't really, matter. For 3D printing, I use a lot of these. H3, I guess that's the one, as H2.5 and H3. So this used a lot. Philips are just Philips. Wait. No, looks like someone made a mistake. I don't have the smallest Philips, but I have the small two Torx. This is hilarious. No, not this kind. I think this kind. Yep, I have a lot of these Torx. It's like one extra. Okay. Actually, a lot of Torx here. Oh no, that's not Torx. This is a Penta. Yeah, so I'm missing the freaking Philips here. It looks like manually someone stuffing these guys and they made a mistake. I don't think I care much. I have lots of Philipses, and I for fine jobs I have this one, which is really good, but I think it's 00, not 000, but still using it mostly. Look at the dirt. Alright, so what can I say? I don't know, guys. If you are desperate to have a relatively okay precision set like this, I think that's gonna work for you. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. Hoping you won't need this Philips 000, which I didn't get, unfortunately. Looks like it's just a human error. But rest of the stuff, especially this Penta, like, is good to have. Yeah, this is good to have. So this can be useful in tweaking some of the old video cassette recorders alignment guide pins. Yeah, depends on the thickness of that, but yeah, it could be useful. I was using it for that. So yeah, here we are. I think this is Ikea Trixig for you, and I don't think it's bad for $9.99. If you get it even cheaper, even better. Yeah, made in China, obviously, and it's a relatively nice set. So I'm not gonna keep it at home because I have like this nice set, so it's no big deal. But I'm gonna keep it at work because I don't have a nice screwdriver set for work. So this is definitely gonna be for work. So guys, I think I will definitely recommend it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all this stuff to support my channel. And definitely gonna be more videos. Please stay tuned. See ya in next one. Take care and ciao.